Hello everyone, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, we're in ChatGPT 4 or ChatGPT Plus, and we're doing a plugin review. In particular, we're doing Video Insights, and I'm going to tell you straight up, it's a great plugin, especially because it does what it says it's going to do. All right, so let's get going here. I'm going to open up a fresh browser here, and I'm going to show you how to go ahead and make sure that it's installed and ready to go. So I'm hovering over GPT-4. When I do that, I click on this little plugins, and this is the way to set it up so that the plugins are working. And presto, now I get this little square here, or this little button. Click on that, and you'll see one thing. You'll see that Video Insights is installed. If it's not installed for you, just click down here to the plugin store, and then you just sort of got to dig around and find it in there. It's right here under popular. Here it is right now, and you'll see it says it's installed, but it could be somewhere else depending on when you watch this. Okay, so with it installed, it's very easy to use, and it does two things. But the first thing I always recommend anybody that uses a plugin is, how do I use this plugin? I just ask ChatGPT to tell me, and it will tell me exactly what I need to do to use this. So here it is. It'll give you a quick introduction. It's used to extract information from videos. All right, good enough. Get video summary operation YouTube. So it'll get you a summary, and it will also get you a transcript. It's a really fancy way of saying that. So while it shows you that, let's go over here and let me show you what it looks like. So what I did is I literally just pasted in the video URL, the YouTube URL that I wanted to use. And in this case, it's one of my own videos, because that way I'll know if it's telling me, the right stuff. So all you got to do is just pick the video you want and then click on the share button, then click on copy so that you've got a copy of the URL. Go back into ChatGPT and presto, here we go. So what I'll do, I'll just copy and paste that in there, and watch this. It's now going to cook it up, and here you go. It says using Video Insights, which is what we want. All right, and now it's going to tell us what we got. The video you shared is titled Creating Consistent Characters with Midjourney version 5, Face Swapping Techniques. It has X number of views, likes, comments. All of it is true. I've already checked that out, and here you go. Here it gives you the breakdown of the topics in the video. So if you're doing, research either on like a school project, or maybe you're doing competitive research, you're not sure if you want to, make videos in a specific field, and you're checking out other people's videos to see what they do to try and learn from them, not copy them, but learn from them. This is an excellent way to do that. So there you go. It gives you a quick introduction here and a quick breakdown of it. If I want a transcript, please, all you gotta do is go, please provide transcript, and period, break into parts. Oops, let's see if I can type it. If it is too long, hit enter, and presto. The only caveat here is it's going to do it, but look, I'm going to show you over here. It gave it to me, but when I clicked on it, here it is. Here's the first part of the transcript. It is literally a wall of text. It is virtually zero punctuation. There's no commas, there's no periods, all the way down here till you get your first semicolon. So that is the only drawback, is the punctuation is horrible. But look at that. Here you go. Hello everybody, welcome back to another Midjourney tutorial. This is exactly what I said. This is it's a correct transcript. This is a great app. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.